Hey guys, how we doing today? So, got her all loaded up first trip. I had plans. I was gonna fill it a lot more, but let me see if I can show this to you. See, I will. I've got her. She's hanging a little low there, so I don't want to push my luck. But this is it. I got the whole bottom layer of this is lined with server bodies, so there's quite a bit of weight there. And then these beds on top, they're freaking heavy, and them washers. So if I had to guess, I'd say I've got at least, I don't know, 1700 pounds on there. Got 4 containers of insulated copper wire. I got copper content plug-ins back there, and then a little thing of aluminum. I had a heck of a night last night, guys. I wish I could have, I tried to get back here in time so I could show you. We got out of here, and we got this, what do you call it? This big hog yard cart. Picked that up. One of the first items. Actually, the first items was these. I think they're microphone stands or something like that. And this right here, these step rails. And if they were in better condition, I'd almost consider putting them on my trailer. Ever see a trailer with step rails? Sorry, that was a thought I had a while ago. So anyway, we got those. I got all of this right here. They were doing a renovation, and it came with the stainless steel sink there. Same place. Also picked up these 2 bookshelves, and there's a number or 2 of other little items. I can't exactly remember what it was now. Oh yeah, there was a treadmill in there also. I've already got it laid on the back. But I had stuff. It was probably sticking out of the top of that truck, probably 4 foot, 8 foot high. I had to take a cover and lay it on top of the cab of the truck so it didn't so the metal didn't scrape and hurt it any. But that's it. Just thought I'd tell you, show you guys how we're doing here. I'm worried. I'm kind of betting that once I get up here, that chain may drag the ground a little bit. Here's a trick for you if you've never seen it. See how I got the chain wrapped? If your chain is ever too long, you can twist it like this and it'll shorten it. I just untwisted it. But you got to be careful doing that, because you don't want to shorten it too much or it'll bind up. That's and you know what? I'm 46 years old, and I literally just learned that last summer. Had never seen anybody do that before, and they showed me that. I'm like, well, that's a pretty nifty little trick. So guys, I think that's it for the day. I'm waiting on the old lady here. She had to take my son to work. As soon as she gets here, we'll be headed out. So I hope you guys are having a great week. It's a beautiful day here, but it's like 54 today. But we're dropping back down in the 30s tomorrow. And I've got at least one more load of steel to go. And then I got a load of e-waste in the garage. But I want to finish these other servers. Let me see what I'm down to now. let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 13, 14, 15. I've got 16 servers left. So I'm getting her down. It's all backplane board. This is the small socket, dual socket server board. Then over here, I got large socket, dual socket server boards. Got just a regular green board. And then back there is the gold fingered board. And I've really got to get organized in here. If you guys couldn't tell, it's been a very long winter. Got some power supplies. Look at these guys. This came off that big old IBM. Let's see. I wear a size 11 shoe. So, I think pretty heavy too. I bet it's got to weigh 11, 12 pounds by itself. So, oh yeah, got that brass lamp too. Got to break it down. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to make a quick video, show you what's going on. I'm gonna get off here and get ready to roll. Take care. Mike's out.